These SUVs are built to last a lifetime. 200,000 miles is just the beginning. Watch till the end. The last one will truly surprise you. If there's one SUV that can handle absolutely anything, it's the new Land Cruiser. Built on a rock-solid frame, this beast will outlast multiple owners. The 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 delivers reliability more than just power. Less electronics, more mechanics. And that's exactly its strength. This isn't about showing off. It's for those who know. This thing can go 300,000 miles without drama. Take it to the mountains, across deserts, and always make it back home without a tow truck. A true symbol of durability, proven over decades. The 2025 Honda Pilot isn't flashy, it's reliable. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated V6 that can easily go over 300,000 miles. It doesn't race, it lasts. With an upgraded iVTM4 all-wheel drive system, reinforced suspension, and a solid body, it's built to go the distance. Pilot owners don't worry about breakdowns, they just drive. Maintenance is simple, parts are affordable, and the engine, practically unstoppable. This SUV won't let you down, even when others already gave up. That's why families keep choosing it, year after year. The Honda Pilot, a quiet, loyal companion for the long road ahead. The 2025 Ford Expedition is a true American giant, built for more than just traffic jams. With a truck-based frame, it handles towing, hauling, road trips, and time itself with ease. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 isn't just powerful, it's battle-tested across millions of miles. It fits the whole family, all the gear, and keeps going, effortlessly and reliably. Expedition isn't just a name, it's its mission. This SUV can be a workhorse, a family hauler, and an off-road tank, all in one. And when it comes to mileage, 200,000 is just part of the journey. Ford Expedition, when you need big, long-lasting, and uncompromising. The Lexus GX 550 is toughness disguised as luxury. It's built on a rugged body-on-frame chassis, but inside, pure business class. Under the hood, a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with a 10-speed automatic. It handles off-road trails, towing, and long road trips with zero complaints. Meanwhile, the cabin offers silence, ventilated seats, and premium tech. This SUV doesn't fear mileage. 200,000 to 250,000 miles is just part of its story. It doesn't wear out, fall apart, or beg for attention. Lexus GX, when you want comfort, but you're ready for anything. The Toyota Sequoia doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly the point. It just works. Built on the same platform as the Land Cruiser 300 and the Tundra, the Sequoia carries over the body-on-frame strength, legendary durability, and all the muscle you need. Under the hood, a hybrid iForce Max V6 pumping out nearly 450 horsepower, but with the reliability Toyota is known for. With regular maintenance, 250,000 to 300,000 miles isn't unusual. It's expected. It's big, it's powerful, and it's designed for people who want an SUV to last a decade or more. The interior feels like a premium lounge, but the bones are still tough as ever. The Sequoia doesn't make noise. It just outlasts everything around it. No drama, no breakdowns, no excuses. This is what long-term ownership should look like. And remember, at the end of this list, there's one SUV whose mileage potential shocks even veteran mechanics. Watch till the end. You don't want to miss it. The Nissan Armada is one of those SUVs no one talks about, but it quietly lasts forever. It's built on the same platform as the legendary Nissan Patrol, trusted in the world's harshest environments. Under the hood, a 5.6-liter V8, one of Nissan's most reliable engines ever. This SUV isn't made for Instagram. It's made to haul, to tow, to endure heat, dirt, and time itself. The 2025 version brings a refreshed look, but the rugged core remains. It doesn't blink at 100,000 miles. That's just the beginning. 250,000 to 300,000 miles? For the Armada, that's the plan, not a miracle. Mechanics love it. It's straightforward, bolt-on, and easy to repair. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, but without all the fragile tech that ages badly. If you're looking for a big, serious SUV that won't give up after a few years, the Armada quietly earns its place. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a full-size SUV built on the GMT T1XX body-on-frame platform, shared with the Chevy Tahoe and GMC Yukon. This gives it a solid structural foundation and makes it surprisingly serviceable, despite its luxury image. Engine options include a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 and a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. Both engines are well-proven, widely used, and capable of reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. The 10-speed automatic transmission is durable and works seamlessly with either powertrain. The four-wheel drive system is available with selectable modes and locking capability, and higher trims feature an adaptive air suspension. Inside, the Escalade offers one of the most spacious and refined cabins in its class, with 3 rows of seating, premium leather, AKG sound system, and rear entertainment displays. Despite the abundance of electronics, the Escalade remains relatively easy to service. Major components are accessible, parts are widely available, and the vehicle has proven long-term durability in commercial use. It performs confidently on the highway, handles well for its size, and retains full functionality even after extensive mileage. Escalades are frequently used in executive fleets and transportation services, where vehicles are driven daily and routinely surpass hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. The Rivian R1S is a full-size electric SUV built for tough conditions and long-term use. It rides on a durable platform with a flat battery pack and independent suspension, offering high ground clearance and excellent stability. Quad-motor versions deliver strong traction and serious off-road capability. There's no oil, no spark plugs, no filters. Fewer moving parts mean fewer failures. Early owners have already passed 100,000 miles with no major issues. The aluminum body resists corrosion, and the interior is spacious, premium, and fully digital. Despite being a young brand, Rivian vehicles are proving reliable in real-world testing. The R1S is one of the few electric SUVs designed not just for city driving, but for serious mileage across rough terrain. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade marks a confident, refined evolution of one of the most popular family SUVs in recent years. The updated design is sharper and more sophisticated, with new lighting elements, a redesigned front grille, and clean body lines that give it a modern yet understated look. Inside, the focus is on space, quietness, and thoughtful details. Every feature is designed for comfort, from the 3-row seating layout to the upgraded infotainment system and expanded functionality. The new dashboard architecture integrates dual displays into a seamless panel, creating a more open and tech-forward cabin. Under the hood, it retains the proven 3.8-liter V6 paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, a reliable setup known for handling high mileage with ease. The suspension is tuned for a smooth and composed ride, and sound insulation is close to premium standards. The Palisade continues to be one of the strongest contenders in its class, blending value, quality, and long-term dependability. It's a perfect choice for those who want comfort and confidence on every drive, today and for years to come. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which SUV you'd choose. It really helps the channel grow.